Hi, I'm Dr. Matthew Wong from Singapore, and welcome to my clinic. I think digital dentistry has changed the way we take care of our patients at Elements Dental. And with the advent of 3D printers, which are now much more accessible, it has opened up so many treatment options for us that can be manufactured in-house, like 3D printed models, which we can use to make retainers and aligners and bleaching trays, fabricated at a level of accuracy that was never achievable before. Right now, all our dental implant surgeries are done using 3D printed surgical guides, and all our occlusal therapies managed using 3D printed splints. Everything designed in-house using data acquired with the Trios 3Shape scanner. The Trios 3Shape scanner is truly second to none when it comes to reliability, usability, versatility, and capabilities. It's definitely changed the way we help our patients here at Elements Dental, and I cannot wait to see how it will change the dental world as a whole.